Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, tuning in, a warm welcome. This is the explanation video to the previous video I did called This Is It. So if you guys are seeing this video, yes, that was it, and this is now. If you're seeing this, you can see that I've tapered my hair. You guys know that for a few years, I'm not sure how long, maybe 2 years or so, I had really been trying to focus on those problem areas that I had in the nape of my head, so that I could just start wearing my own natural hair out. And you guys, I think I just arrived to a fed up place because I was unable to style my hair in the way that I would have loved to style it. Natural hairstyles without incorporating any weave of any sort, just wear my own natural hair in natural hairstyles. And the particular type of natural hairstyles, if you guys have been rocking with me for a while, are usually updo flat twist type hairstyles I would typically do on my own natural hair. But because of the problem area that I have in the nape of my head, it just really prevented me from being able to do so. Therefore, I just felt like I was confined to having to wear braids to kind of hide that area, because I just absolutely could not do anything with my hair, with that one particular area taking its time about doing her thing so I can style my hair in the way that I like. But because it had been roughly about 2 years and I really just still had not seen the particular type of progress I would have liked to see, and then with me having fine strands, it's just something that you cannot hide. It's definitely an eyesore. So I decided to taper my hair. So as you guys can see here at the top of my crown, I had put just some mini twists at the top, but I'm unraveling them because I'm getting prepared to wash my hair. But I just wanted to kind of fill you guys in on what's going on. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.